Tired of juggling multiple containers while cooking or baking? Imagine measuring, mixing, and storing all in one sleek, durable bowl. Bellemain's stainless steel mixing bowls do exactly that, making your kitchen workflow smoother and more efficient. These aren't just ordinary bowls. They come with tight-fitting BPA-free silicone lids that keep your ingredients fresh longer, so you can prep ahead without worry. I've been using the Bellemain set for a while now, and it's transformed how I cook. The set includes 4 bowls, 1 quart, 1 5 quart, 3 quart, and an extra large 5 quart bowl. That big 5 quart bowl is a game changer for kneading dough or mixing larger batches of batter. Plus, the bowls have measurement markings inside, so you don't have to dirty extra measuring cups. The silicone-coated base keeps the bowls firmly in place, no matter how vigorously you stir or whisk. It's such a relief not to have your bowl sliding all over the counter. What really stands out is the quality. These bowls are made of high-grade stainless steel that won't rust, and they can handle everything from freezer to oven to dishwasher without a hitch. I replaced my old glass bowls with Bellemain, and one love how much lighter they are, how easy they are to grip thanks to the thoughtfully designed lip, and how the lids seal tightly to avoid spills and keep batter fresh. If you want mixing bowls that do more and last longer, this set is worth a look. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen tools with something practical and stylish, Bellemain's stainless steel mixing bowls offer what you need. They save time, reduce cleanup, and hold up to daily use without wear. Whether you're a casual cook or a serious baker, these bowls can change how you prep and store ingredients. Try them when you're ready. It's a simple switch that makes a big difference.